What are the signs that your U-joints need to be replaced? We explain it all here. Like any automotive component, U-joints can wear out over time. These are the most common signs that your U-joints need to be replaced. Clunking or banging noises commonly noticeable when shifting from reverse to drive. Unusual vibrations, typically felt at higher speeds. Are you hearing strange sounds? A high-pitched squeak at low speeds indicates dry U-joints. Visible rust or leaking grease indicates contamination or a lack of lubrication. An excessive amount of play in the drive shaft can also be caused by the failing U-joint. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to inspect your U-joints and consider replacing them. Be certain to source your U-joints from trusted OEM and aftermarket parts manufacturers like GMB. For more information about U-joint replacement, click on the link below.